Hey guys, check out this knife set, full tang, all black, nice and sleek. Check out the grips on these. I'll just pull out a random one. Maybe not so random, but with this guy right here, our kitchen utility knife. Check out the handles. And again, full tang, one solid piece all the way through. Nice and sharp out the box as well. So I feel like pretty good material too. They got that coating on them, so I don't feel like they're gonna rust up on you or corrode too quickly. Some of these you get, they will corrode on you, start to rust up after like 1 or 2 washings. But these seem like they got that coating on them. That's not gonna allow that to happen. So they should last you a while. And again, nice and sharp with the box. Nice sleek look to them. And even the serrated ones, nice and teeth on them. They got some good teeth right there. Not bad at all. And that's just a few of the random ones. Let's see. About a paring knife. Is this a paring knife? That's a paring knife. There we go. Just love the way this one feels in the hand. Nice and small. You got plenty of room to hold the handle. So you can do more intricate work. Cutting up your smaller fruits and vegetables with this. So that's it, guys. I'll grab a few pictures, and once I put them to some really good use, I'll write some words on it. Thanks for checking this out.